Hi everybody, it's Fatih Arslan again and welcome to my 9th interpersonal communication tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn about the effects of code usage in intercultural communication. And let's don't waste time and continue our tutorial. Cultural relations in persuasion. Persuasion involves the usage of symbols to influence others. Persuasion may occur in formal public settings, such as when a candidate for political office tries to win votes through speeches and advertisements. Persuasion in intercultural encounters. The effective use of verbal and nonverbal codes to persuade another varies greatly from culture to culture. The word logical is often used to describe the preferred persuasive style of a culture. Logic and rationality seem to be invoked as though there were some firm truth, some were simply has to be discovered and used in order to be convincing. Cultural differences in what is acceptable as evidence. Evidence is what a persuader offers to those she or he is trying to persuade. Any given persuasive situation, we have available to us a myriad of sensory information or ideas. There are no universal accepted standards about that constitutes evidence or about how evidence should be used in support of claims or conclusion. Cultural differences in styles of persuasion. First of all, quasi-logical style. In this style, the preference is to use the objective statistics and testimony from expert witnesses as evidence. The dominance of the quasi-logical style for English speakers is underscored by advice given to students of English as a second language. English-speaking readers are convinced by facts, statistics, and illustrations in arguments. Presentational style emphasizes and appeals to the emotional aspects of persuasion. In this style, in this style, it is understood that people, rather than the idea itself, are what make an idea persuasive. Now, a logical style. This style seeks to establish an idea and persuade the listener by providing an analogy, a story, or a parable in which there is either an implicit or explicit lesson to be learned. Cultural variations in the structure of conversations. Value of talk and silence. The importance given to words varies greatly from one culture to the next. The spoken word is seen as a reflection of a person's inner thoughts. Conversely, silence is often taken by many Western Europeans and European Americans to convey a range of negative experiences of awkwardness, embarrassment, hostility expression, or interpersonal compatibility. Rules for conversation. Culture provides an implicit set of rules to govern interaction. Verbal and non-verbal codes come with a set of cultural prescriptions that determine how they should be used. Cultures that prefer a direct style, such as European Americans, use verbal messages that are explicit in revealing the speaker's true intentions and desires. In contrast, those that prefer an indirect style will veil the speaker's true wants and needs with ambiguous statements. Now we finished our this tutorial. I hope you understand, but if you still have questions, you can send us email. I will try to back to you. Thanks for watching and listening to me, and I hope we will see each other on the next tutorial. See you later.